Ever spent hours wrestling with fragmented tools just to fine tune an LLM? Automated dataset curation with Hugging Face datasets, LoRa QLoRa integration for 10x memory efficiency, real time perplexity tracking, and Kubernetes deployment manifests with autoscaling baked in. This is ML Engineer's secret weapon. Say goodbye to duct taping scripts at 3 a.m. Whether you're a battle scarred NLP engineer, a data scientist drowning in Jupyter notebooks, or an AI architect designing production pipelines, we've got your back. Fragmented workflows? Not anymore. Here's what's inside the LLM Fine-Tuning-Pack. Data preparation with semantic chunking strategies, LoRa training framework with PEFT library integration, evaluation phase featuring Blue, Rouge L, and calibration error metrics, deployment templates for torch serve and Kubernetes auto-scaling. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From raw text to production endpoint, we've engineered every step. Installing the LLM fine-tuning pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add llm-fine-tuning-pack. That's it. You get the entire workflow: dataset validation pipelines, QLoRa training configs, evaluation harnesses, and deployment manifests. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows LoRa weight merging, gradient checkpointing setups, and how to debug GPU errors. Just don't tell your boss how easy it became to deliver SOTA models.